Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Folding Readers is probably one of the most sought-after eyewear solutions for people on the go, offering unparalleled convenience and style without compromising on visual clarity. In this video, we will delve into the world of folding reading glasses, exploring their key features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect pair to suit your individual needs and preferences. We will also compare several top-rated models to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. 7Plus Reading Glasses. These aren't your average reading glasses. They're designed for comfort and style, perfect for everyday use. Spend hours on your computer? They protect your eyes from harmful blue light and UV rays, reducing eye strain. Enjoy clear vision without the glare. They offer superior anti-UV and glare protection, keeping your eyes comfortable. Their foldable design makes them easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Take them anywhere. These glasses feature comfortable spring hinges, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit all day long. Stylish and functional, they are designed to suit both men and women. Find the perfect pair for you. Get 2 pairs of these fantastic reading glasses. One for home and one for the office, or share with a friend. What we like? This offer provides 2 pairs of glasses, protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays and blue light emitted from digital screens. If you need a spare pair for work and home, or frequently use digital devices, this is the best choice for you. What people say. They fit well. So far they have not bent out of shape. I wore them today for 3 hours straight and was not uncomfortable even with the metal nose piece. They fold up well. I love that they fit in my pocket, and are no larger than my Jeep fob. So convenient that they fold up and they're generally easy to unfold to full size. The lenses are clear and small text is sharp. The blue light blocking is an added bonus. Number 4. Reading glasses with case. These stylish reading glasses are perfect for men and women. They're lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. The compact hard case keeps them safe and makes it easy to carry them in your pocket or purse. No more searching for your glasses. The spring hinges ensure a comfortable fit and long-lasting durability. They're designed to withstand daily use. These glasses also offer blue light protection, reducing eye strain from digital devices. Enjoy comfortable viewing for hours. Find the perfect pair to match your style. They're available in a variety of colors and designs. Experience clear, comfortable vision with these reading glasses. Enjoy reading, working, or relaxing without eye strain. What we like? Its compact, hard case makes it perfect for on-the-go use. The spring hinge ensures durability and easy folding. If you value portability and a sturdy design, this is for you. What people say. The style is pretty awesome how they fold up so small and in a nice case. The lenses are very clear. The telescopic arms are not too tight, making them easy to use without pulling the end rubber pad off trying to open them. Number 3. SKYOAK Folding Readers. These aren't your average reading glasses. They're designed for comfort and convenience, perfect for on-the-go use. Its slim design fits easily in your pocket or attaches to your phone. Read menus, check messages, anywhere, anytime. With anti-blue light and UV 400 protection, it reduces eye strain from digital screens. Enjoy comfortable vision all day long. They're crafted with high-quality, durable materials for long-lasting use and a stylish look. Experience the difference. You get a protective hard case, double-sided tape for easy attachment, and a cleaning cloth. Everything you need is included. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, contact us for a quick and easy solution. What we like? It includes a convenient flat case and is made from high-quality, durable materials. The anti-blue light lens protects your eyes from digital strain. If you prioritize eye health and a protective case, this is ideal. Number 2. Keychain Reading Glasses. These glasses are perfect for anyone who needs a little help with reading. They're compact and easy to carry, so you'll always have them when you need them. Their small size makes them ideal for slipping into a pocket or bag. You'll never be caught without them again. Enjoy clear, comfortable vision with these high-quality readers. They're designed to reduce eye strain. These readers are not only functional but also fashionable. The spring hinges ensure they'll last. Whether you're a man or a woman, these glasses offer a comfortable fit and reliable performance. They're a must-have for anyone who needs a little extra help with reading. The convenient keychain design makes it easy to keep them with you at all times. No more searching for your reading glasses. What we like? This product's keychain design makes it exceptionally portable. The clear lens offers a natural viewing experience. If you need a truly compact and easily accessible pair, this is perfect for you. Number 1. 3-pack folding readers. These aren't your average reading glasses. They're designed for ultimate portability and convenience, perfect for anyone who needs quick access to their readers. Protect your eyes from harmful blue light emitted from screens and fluorescent lights. It'll help reduce eye strain and discomfort. They fold up incredibly small, fitting easily into your pocket or purse. The temples extend to a comfortable fit when you need them. Each pair comes with its own compact zippered case. Keep them in your bag, your car, or anywhere you need them. This 3-pack lets you keep a pair at the office, at home, and anywhere else you might need them. Always have a pair handy. You'll receive 3 pairs of reading glasses, 3 protective cases, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. We also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. What we like? Get 3 pairs of glasses in one convenient set, each with a protective case. They are designed for portability and blue light protection. If you want multiple pairs for various locations or need extra protection from blue light, this is the option for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.